They're both really good. Okay, Allie. Here we go.
Bows.
These are from Grammy.
I hope they are bows.
You hope they're bows. She already sent you your Christmas bows. That'd be a giant box of bows.
I got my milk in there. And they all have mouse packs.
Is this Lainey? See her name? Lainey? Oh, she came with a book? You want us to get her out? Is that striped dress you love? Hang on, we're going to have to get some scissors. Kate, are my scissors over there on that table? We may have to get Daddy. Here, let's leave her in here for a second. And Kate, what did you get from Grammy and Papa? What is your
bed.
A
Because
bed.
I already got my American Girl doll.
Okay.
Where's my bed for my American
Well, but we need to start slow, maybe for your birthday. First, look at the camera and what do you say to Grammy and Papa?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Daddy, you can stop filming and let's get